Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. So right now I am officially moved into my dorm, and a lot of you guys might not know, but I went to a community college when I got out of high school, and now I finally graduated from a community college and I have my associates, and now I am attending Oakland University for my first semester, and I decorated my room, and I think my room looks really nice. So if you guys want to see what my dorm room looks like, continue watching. Alright you guys, so this is the hallway to walk into my room. And y'all, before y'all see my dorm, like, I just want to let y'all know that my room is not the biggest, but I made it work for myself. And before you actually walk into the room, this is the light switch right next to the door. And then here's my microwave and my refrigerator. Right now I don't really have anything. Well, right now I have like just a small stuff to eat, and I got my waters, and I have like my pizza, my ice pack. And I have my bathroom. This is what my bathroom looks like. I'm sharing it with 3 other people. Y'all see my inches? But anyway, this is the shower. And this is my towel. I'm glad I have my own towel rack. And right outside of the bathroom, as soon as you walk over, you'll see my area, and I have 2 bins. One bin is full of my food, and the other bin has like all my hair products in it. And this has extra miscellaneous bags. Like this bag is for when I come home. And this is my iron, and then I have my laundry. Let me see. Y'all know I'm a little short, so I got my little stepping stool. This is like my laundry bin where I do my little laundry. I got like my disinfectant wipes, my laundry sheets, my pies, my Unstoppables, my dish detergent, and my like air freshener. And then this bag, I think I have my books in here, and I got my hangers just in case. And if y'all want a video of like what I actually packed, leave that in the comment section down below. But I have my hoodies, my little matching sets, more hoodies. I got my denim jackets. Got my little matching set. Got my shirts hung up nicely. My pants, my leggings, my sweatpants. And then just in case I want to like, I don't know, go to an event or something, I have like some cute shorts, a cute skirt. And then I have my extra hangers just in case I want to hang up more clothes. And then in this bin is all my food, my little snacks, my breakfast, and my noodles. And here's just basically like a noodle warmer. You can put your noodles in here, and then my container, like if I want to put food in there, I can put that in there. And I have like extra towels. I have my loofahs for my body and my extra sheets. And this is like a roll of tissue. And then in there is like my electronics and things that I don't want to like have out in the open. And when you walk over here, you'll see my nice painting that I painted for Painting with a Twist. And y'all, look at that. I like this because like when I come into my room and I can just see this beautiful sunset, and I can see the nice palm trees and the sun and the little mountains. I just love it. And this is my mirror. And I really like this mirror because like it lights up and it can go different colors. If you guys want to know where I got it from and how I set it up, leave that in the comment section down below, and I can hook y'all up with where I got it from. Okay. And once you pass my mirror, you'll see my ladder for my bed. And I love how I did my bed because I got my satin pillowcases, and then I have my decorative pillows. I have my fur white pillow, and then I have my nice gold pillow. And then I have my pink pillow just in case like I don't want to lay down. I can sit up and lay down in my bed when I'm reading. And then I have my nice comforter sheets. And I have this nice blanket if I get cold. Ooh, I almost fell. But when I'm not using my ladder, I like to set it up so it's out the way. So when you walk into my desk area, I have my backpack. When I'm going to and from my classes, I have my water bottle on the side in case I want like some ice. I have my fan because this building doesn't have air conditioning, which I don't like. I have this nice picture that says, "Be still and know that I am with you." Psalms 46:10. I have a letter F to stand for my name. And then right next to that, I have my gorgeous picture of me at a photo shoot. And I actually was with a modeling group called Model Day Art. And I'm going to put that in my description box down below. And I just have like my necessities. I have my underwear, my sleeping clothes, my toiletries. And then I have my towels I'm going to use for my shower. Then I have all my shoes in there. And then I have like my lady feminine utensils in the back. Then I have my cute pink rug. And y'all see I got my charger. Then I have my nice lamp when I'm studying. Oh, it's no light bulbs in here right now, but tomorrow I'm gonna get some. Have my pencils, my pen in case I need some scissors. Have like my staplers, extra staples, tape, sticky notes, because you never know when you like want to write down something. I got my nice mirror. Yeah, this mirror is actually really nice. Let me show you. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. But yeah, I like this one. I got this for Christmas last year. And to turn it off, you basically just like push the top button. And right next to my mirror that I showed y'all, I have my calendar. Just so I can stay organized, I can put the month and then the date. I can put extra notes if I want to. And then I have my clock, just so I can stay organized. Oh shoot, I don't know what I just did. And I already have my alarm set. My classes don't start until like a couple days, but I have my alarm set because I don't got no time to be running late. And I have my really cute bear that my sister got me when she was in college. She went to Tennessee State, and I have my bear. It says, "Somebody from Tennessee State University loves me." And I have my nice shower caddy in the back. And I have my lovely view of the pond and the tower. And then I have my towel holder with my paper towel. And then this is like an extra drawer with, you know, like a journal, and then some nice sticky notes with nice quotes on it. And then I have my book that I'm gonna be reading like on my downtime. And then this book just has like really nice quotes, motivational quotes in it. And I have just like my garbage bags that I want to use for my garbage can. I have that in here. And then this is just an extra bag if I want to like take something home with me. And I forgot to mention that underneath my desk I have a garbage can. And I have a box with the box from my light strips. And then I got batteries. And then I have some more electronics. And then on the side of the box with all my electronics in it, I have a 24-case ounce of water just so that I can stay hydrated while I'm in my room. But yeah, you guys, that's all I have for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys my dorm room tour. And if you guys want any more videos, leave that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you guys can see it. See you guys in the next video.